Hey everybody, I'm going to do a video of putting the new check valve in the air compressor, and this in the Hitachi air compressor. Sorry this video is kind of up late tonight. Had some stuff to do. I actually had a pressure washing job today. But so it's part number 160582, and there. So the check valve is in here, and it's this little rubber part here. And I can have my camera person hold that. Put your hand in the loop. Where's my toolbox? Oh, there's no toolbox. Yes, I'm using impact sockets, not getting a regular socket out. There. So this is the old return valve. If my cameraman can get the new one out. Can you open it?
Yeah, I just need you to hold it. Oops, there it goes.
Set the camera down for a second. You don't have to show it on camera. So this is the spring off the old one. You want to save this. There's a little indentation you can see, and the spring just goes on top like that, and then it just sits in there like that, and it gets tightened down. You want to hand tighten it so at first so you don't strip the threads, and then you want to make sure this is fairly tight so it doesn't leak. That's good. I'll save the old one just to be sure. Can you put this back in the bag, please?
Yep. Pretty oily.
That's water.
Rusty water.
Hmm?
As you can see, I have some on my hand.
Put it in the bag. So we'll plug this in real quick and see if it goes.
Oop. Here, let me set this down for a second. There we go. Yeah, so I have some rusty water all over my hands.
So, grab a pair of headphones.
Alright.
I'm gonna try it out.
And turn down your computer volume if it's
turn
pretty
down the
high.
volume a little bit. It's kind of loud. I got ear plugs in. So it still doesn't seem to be working. I'll do a little work on look up on my computer tonight and see what else could be the problem. So if you have any suggestions for what to try, and yes, I have replaced the reed valve, which is the valve plate that I replaced. If you have any other questions,
One's right here.
huh?
Yeah, one's right
Yeah,
there.
go unplug it.
Okay.
If you have any suggestions for what I could do to fix it, write a comment below the video and I may try and fix it. I don't know yet, because parts are kind of expensive, but, anyways, if you have any questions, write a comment below the video. And, if you do a shout out to me and tell me, I will do a shout out of your channel. So, as always, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.